To reactivate your Uber driver account, start by understanding why your account was deactivated in the first place. This could be due to low ratings, a violation of Uber's terms of service, or an issue with your vehicle or documentation. Once you know the reason, you can take steps to address the issue and improve your chances of reactivation. First, open the Uber driver app and navigate to the Help section, where you can find information on how to reactivate your account. You may need to provide additional documentation or information to support your reactivation request. This could include proof of insurance, vehicle registration, or a valid driver's license. If your account was deactivated due to low ratings, focus on improving your driving skills and providing excellent customer service. You can do this by being punctual, friendly, and helpful to your passengers. You can also take steps to improve your vehicle's condition and ensure it meets Uber's safety and quality standards. To submit a reactivation request, go to the Uber website and click on the Help tab. From there, select the option to reactivate your account and follow the prompts to provide the required information. You may need to wait a few days for Uber to review your request and make a decision. While waiting for your account to be reactivated, take the opportunity to review Uber's terms of service and ensure you understand the rules and regulations. You can also use this time to improve your driving skills and knowledge of the area, which will help you provide better service to your passengers once your account is reactivated. In some cases, you may need to contact Uber support directly to resolve the issue and reactivate your account. You can do this by phone, email, or through the in-app support feature. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your account and the reason for the deactivation, as well as any steps you have taken to address the issue. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can increase your chances of reactivating your Uber driver account and getting back on the road. Remember to always follow Uber's terms of service and provide excellent customer service to your passengers to avoid deactivation in the future.